I aim to analyze the construction of discursive representation on the medical professionals during the 4 waves of the pandemic COVID-19 on 4 Romanian news sites that are political polarized. In this respect, the research questions address the discursive mechanism of building the representation, the types of representations, and the influence of the sanitary and political context on this construction. I draw upon 2 concepts: the discursive representation through a constructive approach and the discursive management of voices used to produce authoritative positioning. The research methods I used are the content analysis and the discourse historical approach. The grid I have elaborated includes the 3 categories of analysis with the afferent representations and the structuring on context from the perspective of the in-group and of the out-group. All the news sites use the discursive management of voices cited or reported, positioned in the in-group and the out-group in order to cover the pandemic and to create representations of the medical professionals. In the first sanitary wave, March 2020, all the news sites chose to give voice almost entirely to the medical personnel since the coronavirus pandemic is an unprecedented phenomenon on the medical professionals are the main actors dealing with it. Their voice works as an argument of authority, either medical or experiential, through the life's experiences. In this context, the self-representations built by the in-group of the medical professionals are positive, ranging from commitment to risk-taking and self-sacrifice. From the out-group, the representations are also positive to the point of heroizing the medical staff. The second sanitary wave, October-November 2020, is voiced mainly by the medical professionals, but other voices are quoted and reported to a lesser extent. The self-representations of the medical staff are still positive, such as the endurance capacity, stoicism, commitment, determination, and solidarity. The few voices from the out-group are divided by constructing both positive and negative representations such as altruism and irresponsibility. The third wave, January-February 2021, and the fourth wave, October 2021, are marked by the severity of cases of infection and by the overwhelming of the medical staff as a whole. In addition, during the third wave, in terms of politics, parliamentary elections are taking place in Romania and a right-wing coalition comes to power compared to the previous one-party right-wing government. The political context influences the construction of representation in the third and fourth waves. From the out-group are cited institutional authorities, ministers, Secretary of State, senator, from the opposition, legal authorities who have critical voices, especially against anti-vaccine doctors and the non-compliance with medical protocols and the issuing of fake vaccination certificates. To these are added the voices of journalists from the sites, critical but also positive. The site in favor of the political opposition builds representations through the voices from the out-group, such as irresponsibility and negligence of medical staff. Very few voices in the in-group are quoted or reported, building a self-representations of despair and commitment. These selected examples of citations illustrate these representations grouped according to the categories of analysis, namely the competence, attitudes, and behaviors of medical professionals. These news sites are dynamic, constantly updated, and cultivate polyphony. Journalists build representations by applying the discursive management of voices according to their authority and status. The voices from the in-group construct positive representations during all lives. Depending on the accentuation of the severity of the sanitary crisis, the sanitary context determines the construction of more critical representations in the out-group. The political context influences the construction of representations only in the third and the fourth waves, and these are also negative.